G'day everyone, and welcome to another Tempest video. More news from our range project in Mount Magnet today. And to learn more about that, I think we should go directly to the announcement and get straight into it. Within our key points and summary here is the headline information, and that is that we've just commenced an Auger sampling program in the southern half of the range project, and all things being equal, we've got drilling coming in the next couple days. Both of these have been alluded to in the last few announcements regarding range project, and here in figure 1 there's a color-coded overview of the work that's in progress at the moment. Scrolling down to the next page, we've got some background on the project, the geology and targets. It's a fairly short background on this announcement. If you want to read any of those references we've got there, or go check out the previous announcements for more details. For anyone that has missed the last few weeks' announcements, we've also extended our plans for drilling due to finding a couple of nice 1 gram per tonne rock chips in our most recent fieldwork. That fieldwork, in fact, has rewritten the geology in the area. We've decided to upscale our exploration efforts immediately by bringing some of that planned work forward. Here's a few points on planned work, and indeed the work that's just started. First, we've got auger sampling, and second is drilling. In fact, I might flip to figure 1 here, and I'll talk to the picture, which is probably more efficient. We can see the big yellow polygon at the bottom here. That's the planned footprint of the auger sampling. We've opted for augering here because we know there is a little bit of cover sitting here. Not too deep, nothing crazy, but it is always better to get deeper samples if you can. So you can see that's a reasonable area with a lot of dot points, so it's potentially going to take a few weeks. We're considering expanding this also based on some of our new interpretations. These samples will go through the usual laboratory analyses and running through some of our other sensors and see what trends we can pick up. And above that we have the green polygon, and that was in our last announcement, and that's where we'll be doing the upcoming RC drilling. We've got about 1,500 meters planned there, and to do that program we're super excited about what we might get out of it due to the obvious geological proximities of our neighbours and what we now know the rocks are, and we've also got some rock chips recently, so super excited about that drilling as well. As is reflected in the next steps here, the earthworks is nearly done, so we're currently expecting to start the drilling by the end of the week, which is also end of the month. Now I look at the calendar, time flies. And along with some indicative dates for when we will get results back for both that and the sampling. Make sure you sign up to our investor area of the website and also subscribe to the YouTube channel that you're currently watching for all the latest upcoming news. If I can get the logistics to work, I'll also be doing an update webinar, maybe from the field. I'll be back in the next few days to inform everyone when drilling has commenced. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. But until then.